As we have already talked about conditional sentences, that it is depending on two clauses. One is the main clause and the other one is the if clause. Now this is what we can say type 2. It is actually used to talk about things which are unreal, that is not true or not possible at all, in the present or the future. It is not possible, not even in the present or in the future, the condition, okay? Things which don't or will not happen, won't happen, okay? For example, the form is also given here. If subject is the doer, plus simple past and a comma, then subject, would and the main verb. That's the structure. Let's do some exercise, some examples. If I were you, I would drive more carefully in the rain. If I were you. Now this is imaginary situation. I were you, I'm not you. This cannot happen in the present or the future. I would drive more carefully in the rain. Then if I had $1 million. If I had $1 million, again, unreal situation. I would buy a real house. Now you'll see the structure is there, that were and had, these two words are there for simple past. And would and base verb here, in the same way would buy in the second sentence. Would drive and would buy. Conditional sentences are second and third type. Second and third type are unreal conditionals. Unreal conditionals, okay? Second conditional, unreal possibility or maybe dream, some wish. The structure is again repeating here. If past simple, then would or wouldn't plus verb. If I had much money, comma, I would buy a car. I had, simple past, would buy, the buy is the main verb. If I were you, I wouldn't buy a car. It can be a little bit negative. Second conditionals. What is the difference between second conditionals and the third conditional? Third conditional definitely we are going to do later on. If simple past, comma, then the modal verb would and the main verb. That is whatever the action verb is. But in the third conditional, if past perfect and comma, simple past and past perfect, there is a difference. Simple past and past perfect. Modal verb have and participle. When we will be doing the next conditional, then we will discuss the third conditional, okay? Use of unreal conditionals. This is one example. If you were the president of your country, what would you do? If you were, that is the past tense, or the president of your country, comma, what would you do? If clause, that's type 2, present unreal. Structure is repeated here, and main clause structure is also given. Some examples are given here as well. We express dreams, unreal situations, things that are unlikely to happen. Let's discuss some of the examples. If I had money, I would give you. If I didn't smoke, I would be healthy. If it didn't rain, we would go on a picnic. If I were you, I would want to be a doctor. Okay, second conditional structure is again repeated here. Usage, imaginary situations, present or future, both the places or both the times can be there. Well, some more examples, let's discuss. If I won $1 million, 1 second form, okay? I would buy a new car. Now please beta, this is the difference, that in the first part, second form is there, that is the simple present. But in the second part, would buy is the first form. With all the modals, you will always have the first form. Okay? Next, if I were you, I would quit smoking. Quit means stop. Third one, if I were the president, I would lower taxes, decrease the taxes. They would stay longer if they had more time. Now see the difference. If part is coming later and there is no need of comma. Now we have got this part here, the main clause here in the beginning and the if clause at the end. Okay? If I won $1 million, I could stop working. If I had more free time, I could travel around the world. See, could and would both are used here. Now this is page number 44 of your course book. Same things are repeated here as well, but examples are different. Use of second conditional and unreal condition. If I had a pen, I would lend it to you. If I were you, I would not buy that camera. Now the conditions are unreal because I don't have a pen and I'm not you. Okay? In such sentences, the verb in the main clause is usually in the simple past. That is had or were. But in the main clause, would lend and would not buy, positive and negative both can be written. Page number 44. Question number 3. Put the beginning in column A and the end in column B together using if dash were or if dash had. The first one has been done for you. Look at the A part. I lots of money. What will come? I were a lots of money or I had a lots of money? Yes, I had a lots of money. I Inuit and Inuit. Inuit is the Eskimo. People who live in a very cold place where all the time the ice is there, ice and snow is there. That's called Inuit. Eskimos. So I were, if I were an Inuit. Prime Minister, what will come? Had or were? If I had a Prime Minister or if I were a Prime Minister? Yes, were. I, daughter. I had a daughter or I were a daughter? Had. I, a phonetician. Phonetician is a teacher who teaches with phonetics, the phonetics of the language, the sound of the language, the words, that's called phonetic. So I were 18 years old, not had. Okay, now see the matching. Inuit will live in a igloo. I would travel around the world. A lot of money will travel around the world. I would teach her dancing. Her daughter. I would teach you spoken English. Phonetician. I would be able to vote. 18 years old. And I would try hard to get rid of corruption? The Prime Minister. Now, matching is done. How are you going to do? If I had lots of money, comma, I would travel round the world. If I were an Inuit, comma, I would live in an igloo. If I were the Prime Minister, comma, I would try hard to get rid of the corruption. Rest you are going to do on your own, okay? This question is workbook page number 18, question number 3. Workbook, okay? Not the course book. Now the workbook. Mr. Beg is 70 years old, 70. But he wishes that he were younger. Imagine you are Mr. Beg and you write about 5 things that you wish for. How many things? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 things you are going to write. In the same way that is written here. If I were younger, comma, I would play a lot of outdoor games. If I were younger, I would go out more often. If I were younger, I would climb mountain. If I were younger, I would dance all night at parties. If I were younger, I would climb mango trees in summer. Or any other sentence that you feel suitable here, you can write on your own. Please do this in the copy, the workbook exercise as well as the course book exercise under the heading of conditional sentences type 2. Allah Hafiz.